Hi Darren, it's Zurab here at Vos Motors, taking this video especially for you of this 2015 Suzuki GSXR1000. It has only 3,500 kilometers on it. The price is 10,888 plus HST and licensing. This motorcycle comes with brand new tires. I think these are Dunlop Q3 Plus front and the same matching rear, brand new tires. The brand of the lowering links, I'm not sure. This is what it looks like. It does not really say any names on it. Yes, and it's a bit lowered. Otherwise it's pretty stock, very good looking, black and red. Comes fully certified with all blacked out controls. This is the battery lead to charge the battery here. If you have any questions regarding this motorcycle, please call me back at 905-660-2901 extension 212, and I'll be more than happy to assist you, or just come by to take a look and check the motorcycle in person. Thank you.